everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share my card that I made for hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations. Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. This week's theme was umbrella. Next week's theme is Ladybugs. All right, and so let's just jump right in. Oh, before I do that, we also enter our cards into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. So all of the ladies' links will be down below. And yes, so this week I colored up an image for you, and I got this from Spellbinders. It's called Cute Boots, and I just used the little girl and the puddle. And then CC Designs, I'm only using this image here, and that's from Make a Card number 3. And then from Stamp Anything, I am just using the square. So I'm using this and this. And that was from Stamp Anything. It's called Star Card Matte Die. Okay, and so here is my little girl here. I colored her all up, and hopefully she looks okay, because believe me, it was a challenge for this card. My markers had bled, even though I use Memento ink, which is supposed to be a Copic friendly ink, but I did probably stamp it too many times, and I just went right in and colored. But anyways, it started to bleed a little bit, but I used this little Memento marker and just kind of drew around everything, and that kind of sort of corrected the problem. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad, but I still like how she turned out. Love the colors that I chose, and like I said, that was my first time using that builder's set from Stamp Anything, so I was glad that I was able to use that. And that's it. That's how she turned out. And then that's the inside of my card there. So if you have the time, make sure you enter the challenge this week, which is to use an umbrella. And remember, next week's theme is Ladybugs. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.